Hey there, Western Regional folks. I wanted to do a really short Battlefy walkthrough because I know it has been a challenge for a lot of our schools. From the document sent over, you will find the three different links for the divisions within Battlefy. It is essentially set up this way so that our teams are competing against other teams of equal or close to equal rank. The plan with this setup is that if your school has three teams and each team falls into a different division, you'll only need a single Battlefy account. If, however, you have more than one team in a division, so if my school, for example, wants to have one team in varsity and two teams in the Prospects League, I will need to create a single Battlefy account for the varsity and Prospects team, and then I will also have to create a separate Battlefy account for the other team in the Prospects League. I went ahead and I'm just doing a brand new sign-in, so if you join Battlefy Prospects League, you click on this link, it'll take you directly to Battlefy. When you go to register, you can create an account. If you've already made one, you can log in. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new account, and I will go ahead and just use Google. When we set it up, you can use whichever Google account you'd like. If you use a school account, again, you might need a separate email for it. So we'll go ahead and just link this in here. Once you have this account set up, there's no need to bring students in. There's no need to add your teams there. We will go ahead and sign in like this. It should take me back to this Prospects League. When you go to join your tournament, I'm going to go ahead and click join on this tournament. Critical rules, I will agree to those and hit continue. Now I can edit this team name afterward. Whenever it says your in-game name, go ahead and just make that your team name. So if I'm enrolling my Achieve Charter team, I would do ACMS Prospects Test Team, just as this one. I will put in my address, and the team name can be the same thing. Again, I can go in and edit all of these later, and then my Discord handle will be in there. When I register for the team, it'll say submitted. I can go back in and edit my registration fields later on if I would like, but you can see the other registrants. Again, I can go in and change these as the admin. If you want to enroll in another tournament, simply go back, click on the Junior Varsity League, and it should have for me the same account. I simply click join, agree again, and I can set this up. JV Test Team. And put these in as well. It will put in all of the information, and it should show up here where you can see the other enrollees. If you'd like to edit your registration fields, you can go back in and change those. It might not change the team name, but that's okay. Again, I can go back in and I will standardize those. What's most important is that if you are in the JV bracket or whichever bracket and you have multiple teams, for example, James Monroe is in here 2 times, they will both have to, that is 2 separate accounts that are needed. I hope this helped out. Let me know if I need to add more to it.